Hello everyone, you are welcome back to NG Styles Kitchen. So today we are going to be making one pot turkey wings and rice, also known as one pot recipe. Let me show you how I make mine. So here are the turkey wings I will be using in this recipe. I've already washed and dried the excess water with some paper towel. So I'll be marinating it now with some vegetable oil on it, and I'll be using these seasonings to marinate it. You can use any seasoning of your choice. I have some dried herbs and some spices to season the turkey. So I'm going to pour it all over the turkey, and I will be rubbing this onto the turkey, making sure every turkey is being covered with the seasoning. So after that, I will be setting this aside and allow it to marinate for 1 to 2 hours. Then after that, I will be frying the turkey. Start by adding some vegetable oil in a pot and then placing the turkey in the pot. You don't need much oil to do this. So I will be frying this oil for about 3 or 5 minutes on each side. So when the turkey is ready, I will be taking it off the heat, and then set it aside. So this is the same oil I use in frying the turkey. I will be adding some diced onion into the oil and fry this onion for about 1 minute or 2. Then next I go in with my tomato paste. So I will be frying this tomato paste for about 5-10 minutes or until the tangy taste is disappeared. Then next I went in with some blended peppers. I have different pepper here, that's why the color is like that. So next I added the blend of my turmeric, ginger, garlic and lemon paste. Then I will be seasoning this also with some dried herbs and spices. You can use anything you like there. There's no rules of when it comes to cooking that this is what you must use depending what you are making. So I will be frying this for about 5 to 10 minutes, and after that I will go in with my already thoroughly washed rice. Then add some ground crayfish and some seasoning cubes. I'm using like 2 of that seasoning cubes because I don't want to add more salt to my cooking. If you're going to be adding more salt, reduce your seasoning cube, the Maggi that you'll be using, so that your food don't get too salty. So I will be stirring it to mix everything properly. Then after that I will add some water, enough to cook the rice. I will stir it properly so that all the ingredients will mix properly. Then after that, I forgot to add all-purpose seasoning and paprika. And how can I cook jollof rice without paprika and all-purpose? So I added some all-purpose seasoning and paprika and stir it to mix properly. So now I'll be placing all those fried turkey wings onto the rice like so. Remember, when we fried this turkey earlier, it was not thoroughly cooked. Because when I kept it, my son came, "Mom, can I take one?" I said, "No, it's not yet cooked." It was like, "What?" So put the turkey back and cover your pot and let it cook. This doesn't take time. Just keep shaking on it, and before you know it, wow, our rice and turkey is ready. You see, it's very easy and quick to make. I like to make this when I don't have enough time, or maybe come back home late and you need to make dinner. So our one pot turkey wings and rice is ready, very much ready to serve and enjoy. So if you have any question, you can always ask me, please. And that is it. Serve and enjoy. Package for lunch. Do whatever you want. And this food is so delicious. It didn't last how many minutes. It's all gone. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.